I want to show you some cool tricks on your TI. So in here, I have just a polynomial, and when I graph it, I'm looking at this. Now, I want to be able to figure out where my x-intercepts are. I want to know where my mins and maxes are. Now, looking at this, I could guesstimate. Like I can look at this and go, oh, -1. But what if I couldn't tell or wasn't sure? And actually, I don't know because I'm assuming it's kind of by ones. Now, to find the x-intercepts. So you're going to go up here and you are going to go to, you want this calc menu. So I'm going to go to second trace and I'm going to go to the calc menu. And first, if I just want to put in a value, I'm going to put in x equals 0. Okay, now why did I do that? This gives me the y-intercept right there, because when x equals 0, that gives me the y-intercept. So that first is going to give me the y-intercept. So to do that, I went to second trace, which is the calc menu, and I went to value. And then I just simply put in whatever value I want, in this case 0, to give me the y-intercept. Now what if I want the x-intercepts? I'm going to go back to that same menu, but I'm going to go to 0. Now here's the thing. I need to go on either side of it. So I want to find this first one. I want to know what this one is right here. So left bound. So I want to be on the left side of it. I'm going to hit enter and then I'm going to go past it. I'm going to hit it again. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm saying between which two, because there's more than one intercept, and then it's going to give me that. So I can see -1. If I wanted to come back and find the second one, I'd go to 0 again. Now I'm going to go past it because I want this one. So I'm on this side of this one. And I'm going to go past it. Keep going. There, all the way past it. And then it's going to give me that one. So you can see this is -2.57. It's obviously some sort of decimal there. And that's 0, guys. E to the -12. It just sometimes will read weird. So that's how to find the x-intercepts. We found the y and the x-intercepts. What about maxes and minimums? So critical values. Same thing on this trace menu. I can go right here and I want to find a minimum. Same thing, I want to know what this point right here is. What's this minimum? So again, I have to go to one side of it. I want to be on the left side of it, hit enter, go past it, hit enter again, then third time to guess, and right here, it's going to give me that minimum value. Now, what if I wanted to know what this maximum was? What's the biggest hump? So then here, I'd go here to maximum, and I'd start on this side of it. So I don't know exactly where it is, I just have to know about, and then this side of it. And obviously, that gives me that. If I wanted to know what this minimum is, same thing. Both sides of it, I'd give it to me. It's probably the y-intercept, but again, if I wasn't sure, I could come back and check. So this is a way that if you're trying to get some values as you're sketching, you're trying to do things, your TI can tell you a lot. Desmos is really good about certain things, for instance, the intercepts, but it's not as good because you have to find the exact point of that. You have to trace on it. So for instance, I'm going to come over here for a minute. And I'm just going to open up Desmos. And I put in, I don't, what did I put in? Y equals x to the fourth minus 3x to the third. Okay. So you can see here, really easy to click on this. It will give you maxes and mins as well. I guess it does, So, but it doesn't go to as many decimal places. So depending on what you want, sometimes the TI can be a better version. It's certainly a little bit faster, but it depends on what you have access to. And again, it's nice to know the different methods for finding them. So, as I said, this will give you more decimal places. You can see there's a bunch of really cool stuff on here. This intersect will give you if you've got two lines and you want to know where they cross. So hopefully that helps you give some ideas of how to do this and how to use your TI to help you out with this.